Hey guys, so today I've got a video that's a little bit different than usual. It's not really an unboxing kind of video. Recently a company called Cricut contacted me and asked if I wanted to show you guys one of their machines and how it works and everything. Obviously I said yes because I've wanted one forever. They look so fun. So today I'm going to show you the Cricut Joy machine. This one is the smallest option. They also have a Cricut Maker 3 and a Cricut Explore 3. Both of those are like double the size of this, so they can cut a little thicker things like cork boards or leather fabrics, stuff like that. This one is the vinyl and card one, which I'm totally fine with because I don't really want a bigger machine to have to store somewhere. This one is super small. So I'm going to show you what comes in the box with it. I'm going to show you what extra little things I got, and then I'm going to show you kind of a few little things I've made. I've honestly stuck vinyl onto everything, so I'm only going to show you a few bits because I don't want to like bore you with a million things that I've made. So with this I actually got a really cute little carry case too. I've not opened this yet, so I'll quickly show you what the little case looks like. Could carry it around with you, like to work on your break, or even just like use it as a protective case. Really cute. It's just grey and this like turquoisey blue colour. That is the colour of the machine as well. And it zips open from the front. It's got a little carry handle. So that's what it looks like inside. Obviously your machine will go in here, and then I'm assuming that's for like your plug and lead and stuff in there. And then on the back it's also got just a little pouch in case you want to put any like pens or any of your vinyls, any little accessories, stuff like that in it. So that is the little case that we've got. And then this is the box for the Cricut itself. So when you open it up, it is just right there, and you get this little envelope as well. So in here it comes with a standard grip little cutting mat, and it also comes with instructions and some little like samples. So this is a vinyl. I did actually use this as a sample, so you can see a flower cut out on there. I've just not used it yet, and I think this is like just a little card sample that you can try cut something out with as well. And then underneath the machine it comes with your power cord, and it also comes with a black pen as well. And this can actually be put into the machine instead of the cutting item to like draw things or write on cards or do loads of different stuff like that. So a little black pen comes with the actual machine itself. And then this is what the Cricut Joy actually looks like. So as you can see, it's super tiny. You can literally just transport this anywhere. It's really lightweight and everything. It's a really nice colour, and this front flips down. So this here is where the pen or the cutting tool goes. At the minute I do have the cutting tool in it, so you just flip this and this is the little tool, so you can put the pen in there instead if you want to. The vinyl goes in this way, and then obviously you can cut up to like 20 foot or something like that with this, so it can come out of the back to keep cutting as you go. I will show you a clip of it kind of working and stuff in a minute, but I'm just going to show you all the different like vinyls and little accessories and stuff that I got with it first. But that is the machine itself, and then I got this giant box full of different things for it. So I got another standard grip mat. I've actually only used this once. I prefer just using the vinyl on its own honestly, but I think the purpose of this is if you've only got a little tiny bit of vinyl left, it sticks on here to kind of let the machine take it easier. So I've got another one of those separately. I got this little pack of tools. I have opened it already, but there is 3 different tools in here. So there is a spatula, a weeder and a scraper. The weeder comes in super handy if you're cutting something out that's got like things in the middle of it. For example, like the letter O. The center won't peel off on its own, so you kind of pick it out with this little weeder. Then we've got a spatula, and the scraper is for like the transfer tape and stuff, which I've also got a huge roll of here. So the transfer tape is to move the vinyl from what you've cut out onto the item that you want to stick it onto. You can either peel and stick it yourself, Or if you've got bits that's got like loads of different little tiny parts to it and you don't want them to be like positioned wrong, you cut a little bit of this off, you stick it over the top, peel it up, it'll bring up all the vinyl with it, and then you stick it onto your item, like scrape it down so that it sticks on, and then peel the tape off. I got some different coloured pens, so we've got green, purple and red. So obviously if you want to draw or write anything in different colours, you can buy all different coloured pens. And then I got loads of different vinyls. This literally isn't even like a tenth of the ones you can buy. I've been in different shops and I've seen hundreds of colours. There's all different like holographic ones, iridescent ones, glitter ones. You can buy transfer inks, you can buy iron-on ones so that you can iron it onto clothes. You can buy so many different kinds of like materials to put in this, but this is just some of the vinyls that I've got. So we have a removable black one. So the removable ones are for if you don't really want it to be on forever, basically. The permanent ones do stick on really hard, so if you just kind of want to put something up like for a birthday party or something, then you'd probably want the removable ones. Then I've got a golden removable one as well. I've got a silver removable one, so black, gold and silver removable. I've got a writable permanent one, so this is just a white and you can write on it like a label basically, so it's kind of like a label maker one, like this here on the back. I've got two of these which are just normal permanent ones, and these ones actually come with 3 different colours in each box, so you can only see the gold at the minute, but it also comes with a party pink and a cornflower blue in each one. I got some permanent white. Again, you could probably write on this if you wanted to, but this is more, I would say, for cutting out like shapes and stuff. And then my absolute favourite, which I've used on everything, and there's only a little bit of the gold one left in here, is this permanent like holographic one. So there was a silver sparkle and a party pink crystal in there, but I've only got a bit of the gold threads one left because obviously I wanted the glittery stuff stuck everywhere. So that is all of the different like accessories and vinyls and everything that I have. Like I said, there's a million more different things that you can get for this. You can literally make so many things. You can make cards, you can make t-shirts, you can stick vinyl on pretty much anything. You can make like window stickers, you can put them on your car, you can do endless things. I'm going to show you a really quick video of me trying to make like a little photo box thing earlier. These are super fast. It's so quick. You can make something in like 10-15 minutes. So I will show you that video here now, and then I will show you the items after. So just to really quickly show you how the app works, it does have lots of like suggestions and stuff of things that you can make down here. But you just click new project, and then you have images, text, shapes, upload, loads of different options down the bottom. So images brings up loads of cute little options. Some of them you do have to pay for, but most of them are free. There's like thousands of free ones. So there's those, and then text. Obviously you can write whatever you want in loads of different fonts, and then shapes is all these different shapes you can cut out. So if you're making like labels or anything, you could cut out a little star shape. And then upload is where you would do your own personalized things. So for example, if you have your own logo for your company or something like that, you could upload it on here and cut it out on the Cricut as well. So that's how the app works. So I'm just going to really quickly show you how easy this is. So I've got the Cricut out with the blade in it. I've got this box here that's like a big photo holder. So I want the word photo in sparkly on the top. I have this holographic vinyl that I'm going to put in there. And I have my phone as well. So I've just gone into the Cricut app and I've just wrote photos on the text button down here. I've actually not even measured it, but these are inches down the side, so it's going to be roughly about 2 inches long and then about like 9 inches wide, which I feel is like a good big size for this really. So I'm going to show you how easy this is. You just press make it without mat. So that's kind of telling us how much vinyl we're going to need, which I've got here. Press next. Then you've just got to choose what kind of vinyl it is, because they do iron-on ones and glitter ones and stuff like that. This one is just a permanent vinyl, so we start to load it in there. Let's find the end. Literally just push it in. It does it all on its own. It's measuring at the minute how much we have to make sure that it's enough, and then it will just start cutting. So you press go, and that's literally how easy it is. So now it's finished, it's throwing it all back out at me. You can take that out, and then you're probably not going to be able to see it like this, but it does have the, you can see a little, the letters like cut out in there. So I'll peel this off and show you what it looks like. So when you peel it off, this is what you're left with. Obviously the middle of the P and the O's is still in there, and that is what this little set is for. It's got this little weeder down here, and I have used these already, so it is open. I just put them back in there to kind of show you what it looked like. So basically what you do with this little tool is you just pick the edges up, and then you can take those centers out, and then that's what it's going to look like when it's stuck on there. So you can either use the transfer tape, which you kind of like stick over the top and place it on, or you can just peel them off individually. I'm going to peel this off individually because I'm not sure I want it to be so spaced out. So I only have one hand, but I'm going to go do that and then I will show you what it looks like. Okay, so I stuck that on top of there, and next we're going to do these little boxes. So for each little box inside, I want it to say something different. So I've wrote out baby, school, selfies, Paris 2017, Florida 2016. Obviously as we go I'm going to add more, like I'm going to Paris this year, so I'll do one for then and stuff like that, but I'm just going to show you how the transfer tape is used. So when you peel it off, it is just a bit of clear tape like this, and you place it over the thing that you want to move. So I'm just going to show you on the one that says baby. Now we can use this little thing to press it on there harder if you want to, because sometimes if you don't press it down really hard it doesn't stick. So you just do that, and then you peel it back up. There we go. So your word is now on the transfer tape. Okay, so you place it where you want it like this, press down, and then hopefully when you peel it off it should just leave those letters like so. So I'm going to do this for a couple of different ones and then I'll show you what it looks like. So that was just a real quick video of how it works, and this is what I made earlier. So this is the little photo box that I did, and when you open it up, this is what all the little boxes say on this side. So I've got baby, school, selfies, Florida 2016 and Paris 2017. Obviously as I think of more I will fill up all the rest of them, but these are just like little photo boxes that you put all different things in. So that is the first thing I made. That literally took like 10 minutes, and I just think it's really cute that it's like personalized and stuff. So there is that. Then if you usually watch my videos, or if you follow me on Instagram or anything, you'll know I've got a rabbit called Chili. So I made him some just little like treat tubs. So this one just says treats with a little rabbit and a carrot on it, and then same for this one. So get to put his little foods in there. And then the last thing is just this tumbler I've got. So it's literally just like a black metal tumbler, and I stuck this holographic shiny spider on it, which I think looks really, really cool. So like I said, I've made so much more. I've literally used all the sparkly pink and everything, but I don't want to like bore you with a million things I've made. So this is just a few different like little options that you could do. So yeah, I hope you like this video anyway. You'll have to let me know what you thought of the Cricut down below, and if you're maybe going to get one, or if you've got one, what kind of things you make, stuff like that. I know loads of small businesses make like keyrings with them and makeup bags, and like a lot of stuff on Etsy I would say is probably made using a Cricut. So I will put all of the information for them down below, along with their like TikTok and stuff, in case you want to go watch some of their videos. Thank you again to them for sending this to me and sponsoring the video, and I hope you liked it. If you did, please subscribe, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.